Welcome aboard. You're here to pick up Abu Muhammad?
Yes. Is he here?
He is. You've brought the rest of the gold along, I presume?
But of course we did. We'd like to see Abu Muhammad first. See if he's healthy. My ship's far off. My men will bring the gold here.
Your lack of faith in us brings tears to my eyes.
Why is he talking like he has two eyes?
No, my friend. Don't call this lack of faith. This is only necessary caution. I hope you get it. Not everyone's as honest as you. They tarnish the good name of all courtiers, huh? And all those Turks. Those Turkish levants are formidable on the sea. That's partly why we're cautious.
Yes, you're right. Infidel Turks. They all have sworn to kill us all. But I, Theoth, hereby swear to you, my death will not be at the hands of a Turk either. Even the devil doesn't deserve that fate. Bring Abu Muhammad.
Abu Muhammad?
Yes, that is me. Listen, my hands are tied. I'm already kidnapped. You can't kidnap me again.
We don't intend to do that. We'll buy you with gold.
Now you've seen that he's alive and well. It's time we got the rest of the gold now.
Oh. Yes. The gold. How many coffers are there?
Including the last edition. We have 27 coffers.
You counted right, no mistakes.
I did. That's 27 coffers, and in the big coffer, 28 coffers, if you count that too.
Can we bring that many coffers from this ship?
The crew will bring them and we'll take them there. We'll manage them together, don't worry, sir.
Wonderful.
I hope those coffers are big.
They are. They are, don't worry about it. So let's bring the coffers from the ship.
As you wish.
Oh, shameless hussy. I wonder what poison you came to spew now. Father?
Why are your men late? I'm tired of waiting.
They'll be here soon, don't you worry. I said my ship's far, but they'll come eventually.
In that case, let's have a bite then. You are our guests after all. This dish has been made just for you.
What's it?
That is a boar. A very fleshy boar, as you can see.
Here, you go first, revered father.
Go on then. What's wrong? Don't you Catholics eat pork either?
Where the hell are our men indeed? They've cost us up. Our dignity, I mean. No, I don't want. You enjoy it.
Take him to the ship. Prepare the ship.
How dare you toss me like a sack?
Stop complaining, mate. They'll kill you if not. For Baba or Ruch.
Not this time. The shock threw him in the sea. I don't know if he's dead or not.